Hi, so today we're finally testing the cuties on my helmet. The cuties are from Helmetupgrades.com and they look like this. Okay, please don't go away just yet. So these cutie helmet upgrade is from Helmetupgrades.com and these came all the way from California. It took just under 2 weeks, a week and a tiny little bit, so it was pretty quick considering the situation. And they came well packaged in like a brown box, and then that was stuffed, and then it came in like a little box like this. I'll be honest, I've already opened them because I wanted to see whether everything is okay and what they look like and stuff. So the helmet that I'll be putting them on today is my empty helmet because I thought that would just fit this one better than the other one that I've got. What's in the box? Oh. Oh, so straight as you open it, there are some coloured inserts. So we've got a red, pink, blue, neon yellow and silver, like a white one. Oh, they're very bright on camera. Nice. But for the main part, what is my hair doing, Jesus? This is what they look like. So that's one of them. They're made of like a rubbery, like me smelling things again. They're made of like a rubbery thing. It's possibly just a rubber. And at the bottom they have the 3M tape. So they basically just stick to your helmet and hopefully they stay there. So you've got 2 ears. Wait. Yeah, like this, and then they will go on. Oh, they're so cute. Top of the helmet, and then obviously there is a leaflet with instructions, which I should probably follow. And this little thing that looks like a nail polish. It says that for full install video, visit their website. I'm just gonna risk it and follow this leaflet, see where it takes us. So that's all that comes in a box. This is empty now. Let's get into it. Start with step 1. Clean the top of the helmet. That's a good point. I'm just going to use my Nick Wax. It's a visor cleaner, but I don't think it matters really. Yeah, I've got some dead bugs on there from the other day. So let's just spray it all over. Give it a wipe. Right, okay, helmet clean. Right, so this little thing is an adhesion promoter because the ears are obviously made of rubber. Apparently the rubber surface doesn't stick very well. So we'll apply this, well, we'll clean the ears, apply this little thing to the surface, and then, where did I just put it? And then stick these to it. Actually, might be easier if I stick them back in a box so they are sat down firmly and then I'm not bending them or anything. Oh god, this is faffing. So what I'm doing is literally just wiping the surface of the ears down. Just to make sure they're clean, and then I'm taking this little adhesion promoter and I'm gonna apply it to, ew, it's blue. I just added it on as I could because it would take me ages to do that. So what I'm going to do now is peel, oh it's so pretty, peel one of these off and stick it to the ear like this. I'll start, oh god, start from the top. And then it fits absolutely perfectly. I feel like I got that glue everywhere. Oh god. Great job, Timmy. Okay, it's fine, I'll get it off. So basically it literally just sticks like that. Oh my god, it looks a million times better already. Right, so that's one. Now I'm going to do the other. same way. Like so. And oh god, they look so cute on camera. I mean, they look so cute in real life as well, but right, so just press them down a little bit. Right, that should do. I'm going to take them out now. So, oh, look at them. So cute. Right, don't need this. Don't need that box now. So I'm just going to press them down a little bit more. So I'll show you up close. This is what it looks like. They're perforated from the front, and then when they have little fins in the back. The good thing about this is that the air flows right through, and you shouldn't feel the drag, or you're not supposed to feel the drag of the wind too much. So the next step, making sure that the helmet is clean and dry. What I'm going to do is mark where I want the ears. So I've just got an eyebrow pencil because it's easy to wipe, so hopefully it'll draw. So this ear, I've got, the only problem with this helmet, or not really a problem, but the problem with sticking the ears on is, first of all, it's not a smooth surface, so it's got like a little drop here, and then I've got two vents here. But the good thing about that is that the back corner of the ear fits right into that vent, and the front then comes up to this here, to the front vent. However, it's not perfectly round either, so it has this drop here, and then there's like a edge here as well, but I'll figure that out. Let me just mark this. So I need to flip the visor up as well, just to see how far that comes up. Are we ready for this? I don't know if I am. Okay, so I'm putting, which one is this? Left one on first. There we go. Right. Making sure again that the helmet's clean. Oh, I just wiped off the pencil. Great. That I'm doing a very good job so far. Brilliant. Right. So, oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, it's sticky, obviously. Right, it's done. It's done. I'm pressing it down. I hope that the air doesn't get underneath. Like, there. I don't know if you can see it. Like, obviously there by the edges. Oh my god, that is super cute. I just got to deal with that. Okay, so that's one ear done. Let's do the other. Okay, I think I've done it. Oh, I completely missed out this. Okay, so step 1 was clean the top of the helmet. Step 2, stick the ear to the top of the helmet and mark ear position. Maybe that should have been the other way around, like mark ear position and then stick the ear to the top. Okay, this is a bit like back to front, so I'm glad I didn't follow this one. But I'm gonna firmly press down just to make sure that it sticks. Oh my god, look how super cute it is. I can't deal with this. Oh my god. Okay, even people that hate these things, look at this. Like, that's just cute. But I'm not too sure if I'm not instantly regretting the choice of white, because they're picking up all the dust and everything. So I'll just try to clean it, see how easy it is to clean. But with it being rubber, it probably will pick up everything. Also, my hair, because my hair is literally everywhere. Oh, they're very easy to clean, actually. Surprisingly. Yeah, okay. Okay, that was very easy. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Oops. Right, I'm trying to not squish the front. Okay, I think we're good. So this is phase 1, pretty much done. Now it's 10 to 10 at night, so I won't be able to try them out, but I'm going out tomorrow for a short ride, so I will take this helmet with me and I will see or test how much the ears affect riding, if at all, and then I'll come back and finish my video. My intention was to test the ears the day after I actually filmed the whole video of putting them on the helmet. However, as soon as I said that I'm going to ride the next day, the weather literally turned to an absolute shit. So it's been windy and raining and whatever for 3 days, and today is Monday. And it might actually be a whole week after I filmed the video, I'm not too sure, but today finally 21 degrees and bright sunshine, so I'm gonna get dressed and put the helmet on and see how it goes. So I'll see you later. Hi, so we are back from a little trip. It was only a short ride, but it was more than enough to test these little ears. So it said on either on the box or somewhere online that they were tested for up to like 130 miles an hour or something, and well, I didn't go that fast. I only got up to about 65, touching 70, and they drag. So it's okay for up to about 60. I would say 65 is okay, but then as I was touching 70, it was literally, it was dragging my helmet backwards as if it was going to come off basically. So I definitely do not recommend it for like a motorway ride, or if you need to go for like a longer trip and you spent a lot of time on a motorway, it might get a little bit painful. I just noticed there is a big green bug here, or I collected quite a few today. I mean, if you're not going to go above 70 miles an hour, by all means, it's perfect, but if you are, then I would maybe take a different helmet. But they've got holes at the front and the back, so the air does flow through them, as it said on the packaging. It's just when you go a little bit faster, then that's when it's sort of, it's like a little brake. So it's not going to let you go faster because your head is going to be pulling backwards. But overall, they stayed put. But I would say that's all the credit to the 3M tape that's at the bottom. But yeah, they're not even that dirty. I killed a couple of bugs with them. So yeah, overall, I definitely love them, and I'm gonna be keeping them on this helmet. I think that's it for this video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.